This is a video for how to go about getting filament that is stuck to a build plate unstuck from your 3D printer. Now, in the video you'll see that's on the screen, I have some filament that is stuck to one of the metal build plates, and it's a bendable build plate for an Ultimaker S8 printer. This is something you would see in an S7 or an S8 printer. I have S5 and S3 printers that have the glass build plates, whatever 3D printer brand you might use. This is a common thing where a print is done and it's kind of gone back to room temperature, and it's tough to get that filament off, and you don't want to use anything metal or anything like that to remove the filament. So the best way to get the filament off is to heat up the build plate. And in an S8 what you need to do is we're going to go to maintenance, or go to the printer settings, and we go to build plate, and you can click on those three dots in the top right, and what you want to do is go ahead and heat up the build plate. That's how you go about heating up the build plate. And I go up to about 70-ish, maybe 60-ish. It depends. Sometimes you can get the build plate a little too hot, and it's like kind of hot to the touch. I just went up to 53 here. That's something you can do. And then what you can do is go in just with your hands. Now I'm going to pause here real quick. You want to be careful when you use your hands, because you don't want to get any like oil that would be on your hands or dirt on your hands on the build plate. Sometimes I might very, very gently use a wood ruler to get the filament just kind of up on the side. Now I had enough of a fingernail, and this was enough of a small little, kind of a small surface area for what I was trying to get up here. I would go ahead and just barely pull up and just try to get a little bit of a thread going. And when I did that, you're going to notice everything came right up. And that all goes back to heating up the build plate. So I want to come back here and just make sure I just reiterate how to get there. So just go right into build plate, tap those three dots in the top right. I was holding the camera here and it was kind of tough to get everything perfect. So hit those three dots, and then you can heat up the build plate. And then when you're done taking the filament off, I just go back into that set build plate temperature, and I'll just hold down on the minus until it all goes back to 0, and we're just back to room temperature. So this has been a video for how to go about removing stuck filament from a build plate in one of your 3D printers.